Hi, this is Sunita Murchia. I would like to welcome you to our new listing, 914 Ironwood, San Jose. This is a Willow Glen neighborhood which is very accessible to downtown public transportation, shopping, and every activity that you may be looking around. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but a very large open floor plan with a separate living room, family room, and a garage that's converted into a great room as well. You also have a kitchen which is centrally located. Let me show you around. The home actually comes with the hardwood floor throughout the house and double pane window and freshly painted with a fresh look just for you. This lovely home with a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3 separate living area, a spacious kitchen, easy proximity to San Jose, downtown, any parks, local shopping, and easy access to public transportation, is a perfect home for a family or anybody who is looking for a large space to customize it to the need. Kitchen is bright and spacious. It actually has stainless steel refrigerator and dishwasher and new counter. It's extremely bright. This home is perfect to make you feel like a kid. I love this room. I can make this into any way. A playroom, a gym room, a computer room, just something, add your fun to it. We have decorated for a lifestyle of a fun entertainment, but you can choose your own. This is very big room and a lot of light in this room. This is a very bright, spacious, east-facing home that you were just looking for. This master bedroom is very privately located in the back of the home. You have green views of the backyard with the trees, and there's a creek in the backyard that actually gives you a private setting for your evening walks. The yard is very sunny and also has a lot of fruit trees. You may want to come and try some out. You won't have to go to the farmer's market. I can promise you that. Check out the open house time or have a private appointment with your agent. This is Sunita Murchia. My contact is 408-916-6135. I look forward to seeing you here.